Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Nissan X-Trail. This is a 5-passenger 4-cylinder SUV in black, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features includes fog lights, roof rails, and a remote keyless entry. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Now we're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. Right up top here, you have your power windows and locks. Down below that, we have a little bit of storage space. If we take a look next to the door, right on the bottom here, you will find your power adjustable side mirrors. Now this X-Trail comes equipped with gray and black mixed fabric seating. And on the bottom, you have your manual seating adjustment handles. And lastly, up top, you also have a panoramic moonroof. We got our key here. We're going to start this Nissan up. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now you have your cruise control on the right side here. If we take a look at the odometer, you can see this Nissan has 113,951, which is fairly low for a 2006. Down below that, we have our radio options, and you do have your standard AM and FM options. You have your CD here and this cassette slot if you're a little old school. To the left of that, you have your drivetrain options. We have a little storage space in the center here, perhaps for your phone. And down below that, you have your climate control system. It is a single zone. You got these nice smooth turning dials for your function, temperature, and your intensity. Moving down below that, we have some more storage space here. This does open and close. Moving past the shifter, you have your handbrake, which is a real handbrake. And down below that, you have your driver and passenger heated seats. Taking a look inside the back here, you can see we are continuing with the mixed gray and black fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra nets for some storage compartments. And these seats do fold down. We got a little handle in the corner here. We're just gonna give that a pull. And the seats come folding flat, giving you access to your cargo. And to access the cargo from the outside, we got a button right underneath here. We're gonna give that a press. Opens up nice and easy. You can see this X-Trail comes with a cargo cover, which we'll put back. You also get this cargo net as well. And the X-Trail does provide plenty of storage space in the back. And like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will give you that extra bit of room. And lastly, we can look underneath here. This is where you'll find your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our 2006 Nissan X-Trail. Once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, power windows and locks, as well as a power moonroof. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here 2 Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137 the St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.